Hello there. New hair, who this? Welcome to Chefes Cocina. So, on today's episode, we're gonna be making something new. It's not new to me at all, I've made it before. For my OG Chefés Kitchen watchers, if you had me on Snapchat, I made this meal maybe last summer. No, that's a lie. I made it, I don't know. I made it before, that's all you need to know. I'm going to be making honey garlic salmon with sweet plantain mashed potatoes and green beans. I'm sure you're wondering, what is sweet plantain mashed potatoes, Chefe? Well, kids, honestly, I don't know. I saw it on Cooking with Bleach's Instagram page. I literally saw a glimpse of it. I don't remember what he made with it, but all I know is sweet plantain mash. I'm here for anything with sweet potatoes. I'm here for it, baby. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'll tag his post on Instagram, which you should go and follow me, Chefés Kitchen, Chefés_kitchen right here. So you can go and check out his recipes. He makes banging recipes, I'm not gonna lie. I've been stalking his page just a tad bit. So if you see something familiar, just know it might have just come from him. Let's get into the recipes, okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go for ingredients. Salmon, garlic, butter, plantain, sweet potato, green beans. Now for the seasoning, crushed chilies. I'm sure you guys are sick and tired of seeing these, but I love them. Black pepper, Maggi cube, some Polish honey, soy sauce, sodium chloride, aka salt, paprika powder. For the sweet plantain mash, I actually don't know how we made it. Like there were no instructions, so I'm gonna wing it. I'm gonna assume that needs to go in first. What we're gonna do, we're gonna peel the potatoes. I'm gonna peel the potatoes, peel the plantain. I'm gonna boil them until they're soft, like you would do mashed potatoes anyway, and then I'm gonna mash them, and I'm just gonna say that's what it is. I don't know what he did. So if Cooking with Bleach, if you'd like to let us know, send me a DM. Let me know if, actually, Cooking with Bleach, if you ever watch this, which you might not, let me know if I did that right. Because I feel like I might be doing it right. That's what we're gonna do first, and then we're gonna get to the salmon and stuff, because the salmon is pretty straightforward. And then we'll do the green beans, because again, that's pretty straightforward. But anyway, I'm hot, I'm hungry, so I think it's time to get cooking. I have a bowl of water here. I'm gonna add salt, and I'm just gonna put this, you don't need too much. That might have been too much. I'm gonna just put this to the side here. This is for when we peel the sweet potatoes to stop them from going brown. A bag for the trash. But it actually makes it easier when you have a bag, just put rubbish in and you can put it in the bin. So that's another tip for you. Okay, let's peel our potatoes. I'm gonna pop these in there while I cut this one. One down, two to go. All right, let's peel our plantain. The ripe one, okay? The riper, the better, because you're gonna mash it anyway. The ratio looks so off. I'm gonna put a pot on the fire, and then I'll come right back and we'll season up the what's it called? Salmon. Over here we have a pot of water, salted water. I'm going to add sweet potatoes and plantain. The ratio is so off, but if it's too much, then we will reduce it and move on to seasoning our salmon. Okay, so here's my salmon. I legit have so many because I'm cooking for like a gazillion people. If it's just you on your own, one or two, no, not one, two would be just fine, especially if they're big like these ones. Woo, these are big daddies, man. And these were from Asda, a whole pack of like 10 for like £7. So I'm gonna wash these. I'm gonna take them out of the packet and wash them, and then we're gonna season. To season, we're gonna start with salt. That's enough of those salt. We're gonna add 2 Maggi cubes, maybe 1, because that was pretty salty and I'm worried about everyone's cholesterol. I'm gonna add 2. Add some paprika. Bear in mind there are like 5 or 8 pieces of things. That's why I'm using so much, so I'm gonna mix it. And some black pepper. And we can't forget the national favourites of Chefés Kitchen, chili flakes. Let's see, yeah, no, I don't think it's gonna work. I was gonna do my usual mixing technique, but it's not gonna work. So gloves it is. You can't get salmonella from salmon, but I just don't want seasoning inside my nails, so That's why we're wearing the gloves. Seasoned, done. So now we're going to use our favourite tool in Chefés Kitchen, which is our garlic mincer. We're going to mince up this garlic. Let's go. Okay, so garlic is minced, salmon is seasoned, sweet potato and plantain are cooking. We're going to go over there now and we're going to cook our salmon and our honey garlic sauce. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Remember that stick of butter I showed you at the beginning? We're going to use it all. Put that heat on high. Alright, don't be like me, don't put all the butter in there. Save a little for the sweet potato and the plantain. Because you need a little bit of butter in the mash to make it taste creamy. Butter's melted. What we're going to do now is add the garlic until it becomes aromatic, which means until you can smell it. Yep, I can definitely smell that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add our honey. We're going to use about 4 tablespoons of honey as well. And then we're going to add it in this sequence. We're going to add honey, water, and then we're going to add our soy sauce, okay? That's 4, but I think that looks a bit sad. I'm going to add 2 more. And what's that thing? Sting like honey? No, that's not right. Sting like something, like honey, a bee. Sting like a bee. I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of water. H2O, agua. Since we added excess honey, I'm going to add 2. Oh, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. That was it. And then, just mix that in a little bit. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. Look at that. It's getting brown real quick. In a hurry. In a hurry. Ain't waiting for nobody. Ooh, this always just smells so good to me. You can smell the soy sauce. You can smell the honey. You can smell the garlic. God. Right here, right now, you can add lemon juice. Just a squeeze of it. I'm going to see if I have a lemon. Okay, so I have a lemon. I'm going to add it. But here's a technique I learned in chef school that I didn't attend. Here, look. You've got to roll it like this. That really gets the juices flowing, you know? Just thought I should share. You're welcome. Citrus foods like lemon, lime, and stuff like that really enhance the flavour of the food. So I'm just going to add a quick squeeze. Make sure there's no pips in that. Oh, chillax, chillax. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. I didn't use all the juice, I just used like half. When you quantify the juice of a lemon, well, there's still juice left in there. It's not like flaccid. So, ooh, gonna go down. Oh my gosh, it's gonna taste so plain with the sweet plantain mash. Alright, now we're gonna add the salmon to the sauce. We're gonna add it skin down, okay? So we'll put the skin on first and we'll put all the juices and stuff on top of it. This, I don't know why we do this. It's just, I think it's just to keep everything intact so it doesn't crumble. I'm just gonna say that, don't question me, I'm a chef. I'm gonna add all our salmon, skin down, and I'm gonna add the juice in here as well to the sauce there. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go, and then just drizzle this on top because why waste? Yeah? Right, we literally don't need to cook it long. That's 3 or 4 minutes, 5, 6, 7, 3 or 4. And just keep going like this. Hold on, let me change the screen. You want to keep it covered with the love of the sauce. Never let that love run out, okay? Right, I'm just going to leave this simmering for a second, turn the heat down, and let's get back to our sweet potato mash and then I'm going to move it off the fire. I'm going to take it out of this bowl, everything, and then I'm going to put the beans, green beans in there. Salmon is definitely cooked. You can see like it's starting to go like a little bit white on the sides. It's cooked. I'm just going to leave this here while I do the sweet potato mash and then sweet plantain mash, sorry. And then I'll be right back. And while this is doing that, I'm going to put the green beans on the fire. Okay, so to cook these green beans, I've just added some coconut oil to this pan. Oh, I've now added an excess amount of garlic powder since I'm out of garlic. Some salt. And then I'm going to throw in the green beans. And yeah, so I'm ready to this. I've added butter, as you can see on top. I've added black pepper and I've added salt. I don't know if this is what he added. Remember, I don't know what he actually did. I'm winging it. So, and I have this masher. I don't know what it's called. I'm sure there's a better name, but I'm gonna call it the masher. Let's add some elbow grease and let's get to mashing. Oh god, Guys, I don't think I've ever used this before. Just a little heads up. Please, if you have any tips, you all know I'm all ears already. I think the bowl I chose was too small. Guys, I'm telling you, that seasoning for the green beans, yeah, will give you the best tasting green beans you've ever had in your entire life. I promise you. I like green beans up until I never ate them for over 20 years. Okay, everything is officially done cooking. Time to present. Let's see how good this goes. Or bad. We don't know. We're done. Thank you guys so much for watching Chefés Kitchen. This has been our honey garlic salmon with sweet potato mash and green beans. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all subscribers. I think we're on 160 now, so thank you so much. I appreciate it. Stay tuned. I have some big stuff planned for August. I know I'm a little channel, but I got some big things. It came out really good. I'm about to chow down because I'm hungry. But yeah, let me know if you recreate it. I would love to see your pictures. I'd love to see like your thoughts and stuff.